In today's fast-paced world, businesses face an array of challenges. From managing finances to analysing data, the demands can often be overwhelming, leaving entrepreneurs and managers stretched thin, both in time and resources. But in this modern era of artificial intelligence, AI emerges as the ultimate game changer for businesses, offering unparalleled solutions. This is how AI can be a blessing to your business. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. AI systems are adept at handling repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. By automating routine processes, businesses can significantly increase their productivity and efficiency. Data analysis and insights. AI-driven analytics enable businesses to make sense of vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. By extracting meaningful insights, organizations can make data-driven decisions, leading to improved performance and competitive advantage. Personalized customer experiences. AI algorithms analyze customer behavior and preferences to deliver personalized experiences in real time. Whether it's adapt product recommendations or proactive customer support, AI enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI excels at automating boring and repetitive tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and invoicing. By offloading these tasks to AI-powered systems, businesses can streamline operations and reduce human error. Cost reduction and resource optimization. By automating processes and optimizing resource allocation, AI helps businesses reduce costs and maximize efficiency. Whether it's minimizing waste in production or optimizing supply chain management, AI-driven solutions lead to significant savings. Improved decision-making. AI empowers decision-makers with actionable insights derived from complex data analysis. By providing accurate predictions and scenario analysis, AI enables businesses to make informed decisions with confidence. Predictive analytics and forecasting. AI-driven predictive analytics forecast future trends and market conditions, allowing businesses to anticipate demand, identify opportunities, and mitigate risks. By staying ahead of the curve, businesses can adapt and thrive in dynamic environments. Innovative product development. AI accelerates the innovation process by analyzing market trends, consumer feedback, and competitor strategies. By leveraging AI-powered insights, businesses can develop innovative products and services that meet evolving customer needs. In conclusion, artificial intelligence isn't just a technological advancement. It's a strategic imperative for businesses looking to flourish in today's competitive landscape. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can unlock new opportunities, drive innovation, and achieve sustainable growth.